Okay, recording.
One more to go. All right, 3, 2,
let the cars begin. It.
Mike Howard flipped it.
Dude, that one got flipped.
I'm still recording.
Yeah, because Mike Howard flipped it.
For some reason, I wasn't even watching those.
Whoops. Did I do that?
Well, I think he's done, maybe?
They're bringing the fire hose. Is that a bad thing?
Probably. He's got the orange walking away.
couldn't keep him in the arena, now we couldn't keep it on his 4 wheels.
Couldn't keep it in the arena, now we couldn't keep it on his 4 wheels. Well, Mike Howard.
Not on.
I see it coming.
Mike Howard tried to move. He's like, I can't move this piece of shit.
Yo, that was weird. That flipped over.
Just like always using the cars to up.
This is every year here.
Alright, so you got a little problem with that car. It's got the wheels going 4 different directions. We're not gonna get them. There it is.
Hey!
We got a problem with our car. The wheels going 4 different directions.
So he's out?
Now the fire.
Oh, look, there he is. He's back. He's back. There's some kids being Spider-Man.
Oh, he's trying to be Spider-Man.
I recorded them.
Did you record that?
Yeah, I'm watching kids be Spider-Man. I was recording kids be Spider-Man. There's smoke. There's dust in the...
Alright, drivers.
That's from the food booth.
Oh, so someone's burning their burgers.
Just a minute, the flags are gonna go up.
No, he still gets the
Here we go again.
Side again.
So he doesn't do it again.
Alright, flags are going up.
I think the red one is fire. Backfire.
3, 2, 1, go!
That was a sedan at one point.
Yeah, that was like it's just a smart car.
No, that looks like a wagon.
It used to be a Ford, now it's a smart car.
It used to be a Pontiac, to be honest.
It used to be a
Grand
Pontiac.
Prix. Grand Am.
There used to be a Pontiac Grand Prix.
Grand Am.
Now it's a Mercedes smart car. And then now soon it's going to be a pilot shit.
It's chicken. Let's play chicken. It's like crying out pain.
Well, you can try to
watching it, you can just see it.